right, we're here with Terry. Just wrapped up the Old Capitol Speaker Series. What were some of the big takeaways for you tonight?
Big takeaways for me were some of the outs we need to have for some of our for some, whether it be float to float or float to fixed.
Okay, so figuring out sort of existing deals, how to figure out whether you do a floating rate bridge or getting out of that stuff into fixed rate or just doing a longer term floater.
Absolutely, absolutely, yeah.
Anything else from Greg's presentation or Paul or Mike?
So for Greg's presentation, I thought it was pretty interesting to see what kind of population growth in the DFW there has been, and what's projected for 2023, which sounds like a real drop off on the cliff, and that was really surprising to me.
Yeah, I mean, there's going to be a lot of deliveries the next couple of years, so figuring out how to sort of survive the next couple of years. Or is most of your stuff A, B, C? Where's most of your
right. Most of my stuff is B class, and I've always wanted to move into A class, and I probably still wouldn't mind moving up into the A minuses, but boy, I tell you what,
A plus stuff
that just seems like it can get pretty saturated pretty quick.
Yeah, it's usually concentrated by submarket, so like whether it's Uptown or Frisco or Plano.
Yeah, exactly.
There's a lot of concentration.
Exactly.
In supply.
We came up here and we're from Austin, and it always makes
coming up 35.
Oh yeah, up 35, and just what a shopping mecca it is up here. It seems like
a lot of places to eat.
Yeah, it seems like all they do is build housing so people can shop somewhere.
Yeah.
But to drive up and you see all of these wraps.
Yeah.
I mean, just so many of them. It's like, wow. Are there ever going to be any subdivisions anymore?
Yeah, I mean, remember, the amount of construction is crazy. Hopefully we can absorb it all. A lot of employers coming in.
Yeah.
So I think that was one good thing, just showing DFW was about 3 times as big as anybody else in terms of employment growth.
Yeah, absolutely.
So hopefully we fill up these apartments.
Absolutely.
All right, thanks a lot.
Thanks, James.
All right, thanks.